A very good day, Dr. Shahnaz and my friend. I'm Yee Ling. Number matric is S58398. Today I'm going to present my Financial Accounting and Reporting 3 individual assignment on how I solve case 2 with my understanding step by step. Here is our question, whereby our lessor, CCB Bank Berhad, is one of the largest financial holding company in the country. It commenced operation on 1st April 2000 as a full-fledged commercial bank. On 1st January 2019, CCB Bank enters into hire purchase contract with a customer for financing a motor vehicle. The customer purchased the motor vehicle from a car manufacturer at a price of 200,000 paid in cash by the bank. The cost of the motor vehicle is 1200,000. For this contract, CCB Bank quotes a flat interest rate of 2.5 per year based on the market price of the motor vehicle. The arrangement with customer requires an upfront payment of 44,000 followed by 4 annual installments of 44,000 at the end of each year. The financial year end is 31st December, and the bank will release the charge on the title upon payment of the last installment. By using Excel, we have to explain step by step on how to perform each question below. A. What is the total finance charge and the effective interest rate? To find the finance charge, first we have to calculate the total installment where we use the upfront 44,000 plus with the 4-year annual installment, which is 44,000 times with 4 years, and we get 220,000. Then we use the total installment minus the fair value of motor vehicle, which is 200,000, and we get the total finance charge of 20,000. Next, to find the effective interest rate, we have to first identify the cash flow from year 2019 to year 2023. For year 2019, since it is a payment, we use negative 200,000 plus with upfront payment, and we get the total of 156,000. And for the rest of the year, the cash flow is 44,000. And to find the effective interest rate, we use the formula of IRR and highlight the value from C13 to C17. And we get the EIR of 5.01%. Next, we have to prepare the lease receivable schedule. Before that, we have to enter the EIR 5.01%, and this is the lease receivable schedule from year 2019 to year 2023. The opening balance of year 2019 is 200,000. And there is no interest income for this year. The lease payment is upfront payment. And the closing balance is 156,000. The opening balance for year 2020 is the closing balance of year 2019. The interest income is using the opening balance multiply with the EIR. And the lease payment is the annual installment, same as the rest of the year. And to calculate the closing balance, for the last year, the closing balance will be 0. The total interest income is 20,000, same as our finance charge, and the lease payment total is 2,200,000. Lastly, we have to prepare 4 journal entry of the lessor. This is our general journal. We have to first record the purchase of motor vehicle on 1st January. We debit motor vehicle and credit cash. Next, we record the receivable on hire purchase, also on 1st January. We debit lease receivable and credit motor vehicle and credit unearned interest income. The lease receivable is the total of motor vehicle and the unearned interest income. For the third, we have to record the lease payment. Again, this is record on 1st January. We debit cash and credit lease receivable. For the last part, we have to record the interest income. This is on 31st December of year 2019. We debit unearned interest income, and credit interest income. And that's all for the individual assignment. Thank you.